and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. How is everybody? Everyone okay? Are we all good? Yeah? You sure? Alright, that's good. Okay, so this evening I am going to be doing my Glossybox for the month of February. You notice that I'm saying just Glossybox because I know I am no longer subscribed to Look Fantastic. So I am just going to be doing the Glossybox now. No more Look Fantastic versus Glossybox anymore. So here we are. This is the Glossybox. It's a monthly subscription box. It's available here in the UK. I'm not sure where else they distribute to. As I know it at the moment, it's just the UK. It could be further afield. It costs, God, you know what? I don't know. It costs £12.50 a month. Well, that's how much I'm paying. I thought I'd cancelled this, but it seems like I haven't. So I am subscribed to this box for another year. What can I do? So with Glossybox you can do various subscriptions. So you can do it on a month-to-month basis. And I think if you do it month-to-month, it's something like £13, maybe something like that. £13 a month. Then you can do sort of upfront payment. So you can buy the box 3 months or 6 months. So do an upfront payment, and you'll get the box each month. Or you can do what I'm doing at the moment. Sign up for a year. So 12 months, and then you'll get a reduced monthly payment each month. So I think I am paying £12.50 a month. I need to double check, but I think it is £12.50. You'll get a range of various products. It'll be beauty, skincare, cosmetics, hair products, accessories. Not always going to be the best brands out there, but occasionally we do get a really good brand, a really useful brand. Usually get a lot of samples, or they call them deluxe sizes, but you know what, most of the time the boxes are, let's just say, I'm just being honest here, let's just say we get 5 items in the box, there may be 2, if I'm really lucky, 3 items in the box, and I can say, yeah, I can use it. More often than not, most of the items in the box, it's like, I don't need it, I don't want it, or I've had a full size of it from one of my American beauty boxes and I don't need the little sample size. So quite often a lot of the products in my Glossybox end up in my giveaways. So, but we will see. I mean, last month's box was pretty good. So this is February. It's the month of love, isn't it? So hopefully they've got something really good in here. It might be a themed bag, a themed box. Who knows? Let's have a look and see. Stop the chatting and open the box up, girl. See what's in there. Okay, so I have got variant 2. So that's what it says there. I've got variant 2. There's the opening thing. Right, let's do this. Cross those fingers, eh? Alright, okay. Right, we have got a theme. We've got the usual leaflets and things in there. I'm not even going to look at those. But we have got a theme. As I said, it's the month of love. So here we are, right? You've got the little, you see that? Little Glossybox leaflet there. So, yeah, we got this. I'm intrigued now. Is there a card or something like that so I can do a scan? There is. There is a card in here. So let's pull this out. We have got a QR code. Is that the QR code? Alright, that's the QR code. So I'm just going to scan that and see what we've got. Okay, so I've got the magazine. We have got Glossy Beauty Must-Haves of the Month. What's the story behind it? So there's usually a little bit in here about the story. So let's read that. It says, story behind the box. Beautiful. So B-U Beautiful. It's time to embrace the idea that true beauty shines when you fully embrace who you are, flaws, uniqueness and all. It's not about perfection, it's about authenticity, self-expression and feeling empowered in your own skin. Whether through radiant skincare or a simple confident boost, Beautiful encourages you to define beauty and on your own terms. This is your moment to glow, to own your uniqueness and to show the world what makes you unapologetically you. With love, Team Glossy. Alright, let's go. So I'm just going to pull things out and find information. Right, we've got a box here or something. Oh, we've got a Glossybox scented candle. Scent with love. Let's see what the information is here, if they've got any information. But it's clearly a candle made for Glossy. Right, so it's a deluxe size. Scent with Love Bespoke Candle. Light up a moment of relaxation with the Scent with Love Bespoke Candle. The refreshing English pear and freesia. That's very much Joe Malone, isn't it? With the English pear and freesia. That's Joe Malone. Sure of it. Fragrance gently scents your space, while the frosted glass jar adds a soft, stylish touch to any room. Recommended retail price is £13. I do love a candle, but my husband has got me on very strict rules when it comes to candles now. Do you remember a couple of years ago I set fire to my hair? Remember that? Remember that? So yeah. Oh, it's actually a very nice scent, and it's a very attractive looking candle as well. Actually, this is nice, and it smells good. So I don't mind that at all. So I am going to be very strict now. So no more lighting candles in the evening and then I'll fall asleep. If I'm going to light the candle, I'll do it during the day whilst I'm working. So that's nice. So that's a nice start. I'm happy with that. So that's good. And that covers the price of the whole box. So I'm all right with that. So that's good. Okay, let's pull the next thing out. What do we have here? We have got something from Nails Inc. Got that from Nails Inc. Let's have a look. So from Nails Inc. we have got a deluxe size. It's only a little bit smaller than the full size. This is the Glow and Grow Nail Growth Treatment. Your nails, but better. Get your glow and grow on with this sheer nail treatment infused with ultra hydrating hyaluronic acid and moisturizing raspberry extract to give your natural nails the perfect glossy glow boost and help to promote nail growth. You glow and grow. Recommended retail price is £8. You know who they're trying to copy here, and that's the manicurist, because they've got a whole range of, I think they call them sort of soap nails, the whole style, where you've got products like this, and they treat your nails, but they give your nail a tint of a colour as well. But manicurists are the sort of brands that I really know for doing this kind of product. But Nails Inc. are on the game, they're not missing out, so let's join the market. So that's fine. I've got quite a few of the manicurist nail things because I really like them, and they work really well. My nails have been very healthy since I started using them, so it's good products, good products. So 2 out of 2, I'm pleased with that. Ooh, what's this? Oh, okay, Bioma. This is a brand, decent brand. You can get them on Look Fantastic. What have I tried from them? I've bought matching shower gels and body lotions, and I think that's the main things I've got from this brand so far. So this is a moisturising gel cream with SPF 30, so I'm assuming it's a face cream. Okay, so we have got Bioma Moisturising Gel Cream SPF 30. This ultra effective, deeply hydrating, non-greasy SPF 30 daily moisturiser is the ultimate blend of skincare, barrier care and sun care. The lightweight gel cream SPF 30 formula offers broad spectrum protection from UVA, UVB rays, instantly absorbing into skin and leaving a glowing, radiant finish with zero white cast. So magic words there. That's good. Hydrating hyaluronic acid and beta-glucan help plump skin while delivering a surge of hydration across multiple layers, minimizing water loss. While our triceramide complex works hard to safeguard the skin barrier. Suggested retail price for this is $14.99. This is a good product. All right. Okay, Glossybox, come with your February coming in hard. This is good. 3 out of 3. I like all 3 of these products and I would use all 3. And usually that's about the max I'll get out of a Glossybox. After that, the next 2 products will normally be but we'll see. It might surprise me this month. I'm almost nervous. Oh, gosh. Right, what's this? This feels like a tube of something. Ah, here we go. Dr. Eve Reef. Okay, this is something now. Restore Hydrate Collagen Serum. Who is this Dr. Eve Reef? Don't know who that is. Right, let's have a look. Right, I've never heard of this brand before. So, Dr. Eve Reef. It's a full size Restore Hydrate Collagen Serum. A powerful rejuvenating formulation. I can't speak, sorry guys. A powerful rejuvenating formula designed to replenish, firm and deeply hydrate the skin, infused with collagen boosting actives and moisture binding hyaluronic acid. It helps improve elasticity, smooth fine lines and restore a healthy glow. The lightweight texture absorbs quickly, delivering long-lasting hydration and supporting the skin's natural repair process. With consistent use, skin appears plumper, smoother and more radiant, suitable for all skin types. It's the perfect daily serum for achieving youthful, revitalised skin. Bloody hell, I just saw the price. Recommended retail price for this is £59.99, 60 quid. Right, I need to have a look and see if it's a proper brand or if it's like another Avant, which is like one of those brands made for beauty boxes, because I've never heard of this before. Doesn't mean it's not genuine, it's just that I've never heard of it. But that price and being in the Glossybox makes me think it might be another sort of Avant kind of brand made for beauty boxes. And they just boost up the price to make the box look really, really good. Oh, and we got some white masks, which is always nice. Just get some little eye gel masks. This is a perfect little section here if you want to pamper your skin. So that's cool. Alright, so we've got Hello Skin, 1 pair collagen hydrogel eye masks. Don't really need to read much about it, but I will do. Right, so we've just got 1 pair. Things like this normally come in a pack of 4, 6, that sort of thing, pack of 5. So we've got 1 pair here. Collagen hydrogel eye mask, a dissolvable treatment infused with collagen and active ingredients to hydrate, smooth and brighten the under eye area, leaving skin refreshed and revitalized. Awaken your eyes in just 10 minutes. The Luxe hydrogel masks are infused with collagen and nourishing botanicals to plump, smooth and restore youthful radiance. After use, simply dissolve them in boiling water for a sustainable finish. Oh, okay. Pro tip, chill before use for the ultimate refreshing ritual. And this is worth £7.95. I think that's nice. I think this is a good bag. There's nothing else in here, is there? Just a little silicone thing in there? No? Okay. I think this was a good little bag this month. I really do. Everything in here I would actually use. So I'm actually really impressed with that, to be honest. I can't really slag it off at all, can I? I can't. The only thing I'm not sure about is this, because it's got such a high value. And because it's got such a high value, I'm suspicious. Doesn't that sound weird? Oxymoron? I don't know. So that's the only thing I'm suspicious about. But if it's a genuine product, I will use it. Pleased about this, the nail treatment. And I do like the candle. The candle's very nice. So I will definitely be lighting it up when I next work from home. So that is cool. That's a, yeah, £12.50, £13. I'm alright with that. I'm very alright with that. But if you got your Glossybox, what did you think? Yeah? Did you like it? Did you like it? Did you? Did you? Did you? Right, now question is, am I going to make this my giveaway video for the month? I think I will. So we're back with Glossybox again. This again is going to be my video for the next giveaway. This giveaway I think is going to end of March, so it's going to be a couple of months for this one, because I haven't really got anything much to start my giveaway with. So I'm going to say end of March for this one. Yeah. You know what you need to do. To enter this giveaway, you've got to be a public subscriber. So in the last giveaway, when I did the announcement, I did I did a little thing in there just to show you what I look for. So it's up to you to make sure you are a public subscriber if you want to enter. And all you got to do is leave a comment down below. I'm too tired to think of a question for you. Just leave a comment down below. Make sure you're a public subscriber. And I'm just trying to think. How am I thinking? It's going to be UK and Europe again. I think this giveaway, I'm going to make it international. I'm going to make this one international. Yeah. So, and I'll tell you why I'm making it international is because I've got my February, they call it the ultimate box, coming now from Ipsy. So I will probably get that. I'll be able to unbox that in the beginning of March by the time that comes along. So I should have a range of things to put inside the giveaway box. So that's why I'm going to make it one, an international giveaway, and two, it's going to be end of March for the end. Yeah, so March the 30th. Is it 31 days in March? January, February, March. Yes, 31 days in March. So March the 31st is the last day to enter this giveaway. So just make sure you're a public subscriber and leave your comments in this video. It's got to be this video. All right. Obviously, anything negative, I'm just going to boot it, ignore it. And if I think you qualify, I will heart your comment. If I don't heart it, it's because you're not a public subscriber when I when I look at your comment. All right. Yeah. That's it. So you don't have to do anything extra, just be a public subscriber and enter. But please be aware that if you live anywhere where there is issues with postage or anything, I may not be able to post to you. So please be aware of that. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, look after yourselves, and good luck if you're entering the giveaway. Alright, take care.